So I just came to discover what is feeding these number 10 wires is a 100 amp breaker. And then they have a 50 amp breaker here feeding their old jacuzzi. So what could have happened is they could have been running their jacuzzi, drawing all these amps. It would not have tripped the 100 amp breaker. Instead, the heat of those amps would have been pulling through these two wires here, and it could have caused this to melt or a fire. So good thing that we are fixing everything up in this ADU conversion. Now I'm all for do-it-yourself work. However, some of these code violations and things that you see in this unit is exactly why you want to make sure that you're either hiring someone that knows what they're doing and can do it to code, or that you research and understand the codes and make sure that you're doing it correct. Running flex steel like that is not per code. It would have to be hard pipe. Or if it's going to be running underground, then you use the poly tube. Take a look what they did here. They installed this door. They did a proper header above there. That's all good. But look at that. How is that header going to support the roof above when these studs don't even reach that header? Well, it turns out that this is drywall. That is mold. That is mold. This is drywall. And guess what? This tile was installed over drywall without any waterproofing. It wasn't installed over proper cement backer board, just right over drywall. And there's all sorts of issues, mold issues. And now here, instead of there being a proper washer dryer room, they did this little storage bin, added a hot and cold that just punched through into this little water heater room, and then dryer vent just pushes right out. Then this drain line, which is the ejection line, just runs along the side there, out here, and into this gravel right here. The good news in all this is we are fixing everything. This whole unit will be brought to code. It'll have new siding, a new roof. It'll have new interior walls. It'll have all proper insulation, proper drywall, proper electric. It'll have its own meter. Everything will be done to code, and this door will be removed, a proper curb put in. Everything is gonna look much, much better when we're done.